Hi friends, and welcome to our Graphic 45 One Sheet Wonder mini album tutorial. In this mini album tutorial, you'll learn how to make this cute mini album using a tag from Graphic 45 and one singular sheet of 12 by 12 paper. This is an easy mini album tutorial. Beginners and experts are welcome. You can make these cute mini albums for gift giving, weddings, quinceañeras. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy the tutorial. For our One Sheet Wonder mini album project, we're going to use one large Graphic 45 tag in black. We're going to use the large tag die by Graphic 45, and we're going to use a 12 by 12 sheet from the Graphic 45 Imagine collection. The process is very simple. We're going to take our tag and we are going to score at the following. We're going to score at 3 1/4, then 3 1/2, then 7, then 7 1/4, and then we are going to fold right along the score lines to make our mini album base. Then we're going to take simple black cardstock from your stash. You're going to cut 3 pieces. You're going to cut at 3 by 3/4 by 6 by 3/4, and then you're going to score right down the middle, which is 3 3/8. We're going to use our Graphic 45 large tag die to cut 2 tags. We then position these tags over our Graphic 45 large tag so that we can eye measure and mark off the spots where we're going to be doing some cutting so that we'll be covering our mini album with these papers. Once our papers are trimmed, we're going to use the Graphic 45 color box in Decades for some antiquing around the edges. And with some double-sided tape, we apply the covers to the front and back of our mini album. Now we're ready to apply our pages, and we're going to do this in a zigzag order. And here's a tip. When you find yourself in a position in which you need to square things out just right, go ahead and whip out that scoring board. I tell you, your scoring board is going to help you align your lines just right so that everything will fit into place perfectly. Once you have formed the pages of your mini album, use some double-sided tape to adhere them to the base. And now we are ready to cover the inside of our mini album. And we're going to do this pretty much the same way like we did the front cover. We are going to eye measure for our trimming areas, and you're going to adhere the left panel, you're going to adhere the right panel, and then of course the center panel is going to be for that very first top page of the Z-fold pages that you just placed on your mini album. And here I am giving you the measurements to the pieces that you'll be trimming for the inside pages. With the remainder of our paper, we're going to trim 3 pieces for 3 pages and 3 half pieces for the tuck spots. And for the closure, we are keeping it simple. We can just use some Velcro dots for the closure and be done with it. What's great about this one sheet project mini album is that it's not going to take much to embellish. Here you see me using one singular piece. It is a round piece from the Graphic 45 Imagine chipboard collection, and then I'm going to add some Graphic 45 flowers, the white roses, to the corner of this little mini album. And I decided to add a sticker from the Imagine sticker collection to the inside cover of our mini album. I hope that you've enjoyed this One Sheet Wonder Graphic 45 mini album tutorial. You'll find full measurements and a supply list in my blog. I thank you all so very much for watching, and if you are not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I thank you all so very much for leaving a nice comment and thumbs up my video if you want to see more tutorials like these. Thank you all so very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye now.